Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free website audit of greenhomegoodies.com. I'm on a homepage, and I really love that you're showing the information that you're still shipping during COVID-19. So this is very important. People really want to know that they can still order from you, and you are still sending out orders. So this is perfect. The logo looks good. However, it is slightly small because it is quite intricate. I don't really see this small text underneath the main title. So remember to optimize it better, perhaps move it to the left side, so make it bigger and then move the menu to the top. So you won't take a lot of space by making the logo bigger. However, it will be more user friendly. People will be able to see the details of this beautiful design without compromising on the above default area. However, the hero image looks great. The Learn More button kind of disappears, so it's not displayed above the fold. So remember to optimize it. Perhaps if you move the logo to the left and then reduce the header area a little slightly, it will move this button to the top. Or you can also change the tagline so it's slightly shorter, so it's only within one line, and then button displayed rightly underneath. So remove this section. There's basically too much space within the hero image. The tagline within the image should have up to 4 or 5 words, not the whole paragraph like here. But the call to action is optimized. You can optimize it better, so it's a stronger call to action, like shop now, because it is, I understand, it is linked to products, so people know that they can shop, click and shop. Learn more indicates that maybe you are linking to the blog page or other page that tells about product. However, if you want people to shop, make sure to be straightforward with your calls to action. Our latest goodies, remember to optimize the titles like that to be more SEO friendly, more specific, so it gives Google a little bit more information as you what you're selling. However, the featured products look great. The titles are SEO friendly, which is excellent. You've got About Us page. Okay, so that's great. I'm not sure how this image really relates to the niche, so maybe you can show a photo of your team. It will be much better for building trust and building rapport with your visitors. Okay, I don't understand how this is related to what you're offering. I understand that you're selling electronics, so I'm not sure um, how information that you are approved by a food grade uh, company relates to what you're offering, but I understand that you're selling straws, so maybe make it a little bit more straightforward that you're selling straws as well. Perhaps show straws on the home page, or maybe consider removing it because it doesn't really feel like it's part of what you're offering so far. But you've got footer navigation, so that's great. Remember also to add your social media links and link it from the footer as well. You still have got Shopify's default policy, which can be slightly confusing for the visitors because it mentions items you're not selling, so it can be a little bit confusing. It also gives you this kind of duplicate content, which can work against your SEO. So remember to have unique policy written for your own business, protecting your own products. You've got unique niche, so you need unique policy as well. The collection page looks great, but remember to optimize the titles to be more SEO friendly and add more products. You've got only a few products, so the more products you've got, the bigger chance of a sale, obviously. The product page looks great. You've got add to cart above the fold, so that's excellent. Good quality images, unique product descriptions, and remember to add related products as well, so people can browse your website to improve your cross-selling, upselling as well, and add more more trust signals such as contact us page, so people can contact you easily. If you like this audit, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The details are in the email. And remember to book your free chat with our Shopify experts to go through all of the elements mentioned in the critique, learn how to fix them, learn how to drive more free traffic to your website, and convert visitors into paying customers. So don't miss this opportunity. It's 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert. Book it now. The details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Chat with you soon. Bye-bye.